everybody? Today I'm just going to be breaking down my top 3 things to become a funded trader. And I know I have 4 on the list, but I just stick with the top 3 here. The first one being swing trading. What I mean by swing trading is, I know I'm a scalper. I only try to catch 10 to 15 pips at most. But when I'm in a challenge, I look for movements like this. So I have it highlighted right here in this rectangle, this highlighted rectangle. And before identifying these kind of zones, I go on the daily chart, and what I do is I mark my charts up with daily zones by looking at the line graph right here. So clearly, say we were right here in the moment of the challenge and we're about to start the challenge, I would be looking for the break of this structure right here to catch a big move down, because every time when a price is rejecting a zone multiple times, especially on the daily, this is going to be its 4th time, it'll usually break through and fall or shoot up 100 plus pips. And with one trade, you're able to just pass a prop firm challenge. And that's why during these challenges, I look for these types of swing trades where you can potentially just catch these big moves. So in that sense, is my swing trade would be after a 4-hour close right here, entering off of that 4-hour and having just stops at a very comfortable area and just riding it down as far as I can. And usually with these kind of moves, you can see a very steep movement downwards or a steep movement upwards. So it's either or. So that's my top, I would say my top tip of becoming a funded trader. Obviously, another one would be bigger lot sizes, but with bigger lot sizes, you need smaller stop loss. So you would just have to drop down to a lower time frame and try to find a reasonable stop loss that is in your risk management plan. After that, the other tip that I would have is not overtrading. And I feel like as traders that are just anxiously trying to pass the test really fast, we try to hit the 10% or the 8% as soon as possible, and yet we find our mind just racing everywhere. Our psychology is being messed up because of the fact that we're afraid of missing out on trades, because that's just another day, that's another opportunity we lost potentially to get a lot of pips. So that is the last and most important tip that I can give you to become a funded trader, is not to overtrade, because we always have another day of trading, and it's not worth risking your whole challenge just to catch one trade that might not work out your way.